Happy New Year. Okay, so I got some chicken and I got some macaroni and cheese. I put barbecue sauce on it because barbecue chicken and mac and cheese just sounds so fire today. This is what the mac and cheese is looking like. Look at that.
Should taste like grilled chicken.
I'm glad
Like
I do.
that charcoal.
I just put my chicken in the oven.
Braid. Can you braid it before? Then we get chicken breast.
Yeah, there's one in there.
Alright.
To take that bone out.
I missed the cut.
Yeah.
Why you grab that? You like the ones they don't cut?
It's on my nice little chicken.
You can't go wrong for New Year's.
It's so good.
Like big mac and cheese.
I know.
This is good though.
That was nice and creamy.
Yeah.